Hello everyone. In this video you will learn about constraints. Okay. In this session we will discuss about Oracle or Oracle SQL constraints. Constraints are used to give validations or conditions or rules on table. Okay, constraints are used to give validations or conditions or rules on the table so that valid or meaningful data can be stored in the table. Okay, is it clear for all of you? Constraints are used to give conditions or validations or rules on the table so that valid or meaningful data can be stored in table. Constraints can be created. Constraints can be created on table column. Constraints can be created on table column. The most commonly used SQL constraints are unique constraint, not null constraint, unique, not null, primary key constraint, check constraint, default constraint, foreign key constraint. Okay, unique, not null, primary key, check, default, foreign key. Okay, these are the constraints in SQL. We'll see one by one. Number one, unique constraint. Unique constraint will accept new values. Unique constraint will accept new values. Here, unique means what? Unique means different. Unique means different, single. Unique constraint will accept only unique values, new values, different values, and it will accept one null value. It will accept one null value in case of SQL server. In case of Oracle or Oracle, it accepts more than one null values. In case of SQL server, unique constraint will accept one null value. In case of Oracle or Oracle, unique constraint will accept more than one null values. Here, what is null? Null value. What is null? Null means neither zero. Null means neither zero nor space. Okay? Null means neither zero nor a space. Null means a field with an empty value. Okay. A field with a null value is field. A field with a null value is a field with a no value. Okay, is it clear? A field, column or field. Columns are also called as fields. A field with null value means a field with no value. A field with an empty value is called a null value. Okay, right. Let's see an example of employee table. EMP, employee table. Okay, EMP is the table name in this example. ENO, employee number. ENAME, employee name. SAL, salary. Employee number, employee name, employee number, employee name, salary are the column names. Next, 1001 Raj 90,000. Okay, collection of data of multiple columns forms a row. Okay, 1001 Raj 90,000. Okay, 1001 Raj 90,000 are the data of one row. Okay, so all these are what? Rows. Right. As I said earlier, constraints are created on table, column. Okay, and one more point. Constraints can be specified when the table is created. Okay, constraints can be specified when the table is created with create table statement, with create table command, create command. Okay, so constraints can be specified. Constraints can be specified when the table is created with a create table statement, right? Or after the table is created, with a alter table statement. Okay, constraints can be created when the table is created with a create table statement, or after the table is created with a alter table statement. Okay, right. Here I created unique constraint on employee number column in this table, in this example. Okay, right. So here unique constraint will accept new values. So in this table I created unique constraint on employee number column. Okay, so I have given unique constraint to employee number column in employee table. Yes, unique constraint will accept new values. It will accept only new values. That means it does not allow duplicate values. Unique constraint accepts only new values. It does not allow null values. Okay, right. Next, in case of SQL server, it will accept one null value. In case of SQL server, it will accept one null value. In case of Oracle, it will accept more than one null values. Okay. See here, 1001 Raj 90,000 new value. Yes, it will accept new values. Unique constraint will accept new values. 1001. Yes, new value accepted. Next 1001 because 80,000. 1001 Raj 90,000. This row can be inserted. New value, different value. Next observe second row, second value 1001 because 80,000. Here 1001 duplicate value. Okay. So here this row cannot be inserted. Unique constraint does not allow duplicate value. Okay, it will not accept duplicate values. It will accept new values only. Okay, right. So here duplicate means what? Any row with a counter. Okay, any row with a counter greater than 1. Any row with a counter greater than 1. Any row with a counter greater than 1. Counter greater than 1 is a duplicate. Okay, right. So unique constraint will accept new values. It does not allow duplicate value. 1001 already there is a 1001 na? Yes, duplicate. Okay, so unique constraint does not allow duplicate value. Yes, this row cannot be inserted because of duplicate value. Duplicate value will not be accepted here. Okay, because of I given unique constraint to employee number column. Yes. Next, what about the third row? Null Rajesh 92,000. What about null value? It will unique constraint will accept one null value in case of SQL server. In case of SQL server, one null value will be accepted. Yes. So this row can be inserted. Next step, null Ravi 98,000. Yes. So in case of SQL server, it will accept only one null value. Okay. How many null values will be accepted? Only one null value. Okay. Yes. So the next null Ravi 98,000. So this row cannot be inserted. Okay. So is it clear for all of you? So in this example, 1001 because 80,000, null Ravi 98,000. These two rows cannot be inserted because of why? Because of unique constraint does not allow duplicate values. Yes, duplicate value. And unique constraint will accept only one null value. It will accept only one null value in case of SQL server. Yes, the second null value will not be accepted. Okay, so only 1001 Raj 90,000, null Rajesh 92,000. These two rows can only be inserted. These two rows only can be inserted. Second and fourth, these two rows cannot be inserted because of duplicate value, null value. Okay, so that is in case of SQL server. In case of Oracle, in case of Oracle, it accepts more than one null values. Okay, yes, 1001 Raj 90,000. Yes, inserted. Next 1001 because 80,000. So this row cannot be inserted because of duplicate value. Unique constraint will not accept, does not allow duplicate values. Next, null Rajesh 92,000, yes, accepted. Null Ravi 98,000, yes, accepted, inserted. Okay. So here Oracle, in case of Oracle, it will accept more than one null values. In case of Oracle, it will accept more than one null values. Okay, right. So that is about unique constraint. So here in case of Oracle, second row, okay, this row cannot be inserted because of duplicate value. Okay, remaining 3 rows can be inserted. Okay, so this is about unique constraint, right? So unique constraint does not allow duplicate values. Unique constraint does not allow duplicate values. Allows null values. Allows null values. Okay, allows null values. Any number of nulls. In case of Oracle, any number of nulls allows. Okay. Next, unique constraint can be defined. Unique constraint can be created on one column. Unique constraint can be defined on one column or more columns. Composite key. Okay. Next, unique constraint can be defined. Unique constraint can be defined at column level. Unique constraint can be defined at column level or table level. Constraints can be defined at column level or table level. Here unique constraint can be defined at column level or table level. Okay. So this is about unique constraint. Okay. So ensure that all values in a column are different. Unique constraint. Ensure that all values in a column are different. Remember this point. Okay. Right. Next constraint, not null. Not null. Yes. As the name itself, as the name indicates here. Okay. Not null constraint will not accept null values. Null means what? Neither zero nor space. A field with a null value means a field with an empty value. A field with an empty value is called null value. Yes. So not null constraint will not accept null values. It can contain duplicate values. Okay. So not null constraint does not allow null values. It doesn't allow null values, but it allows duplicate values. Okay. Duplicate values will be accepted. Okay. Right. So see an example. Same employee table. Here I given not null constraint to employee number field or employee number column. Okay. Constraints can be created on table column. Yes. Here not null constraint can be created. So here I created not null constraint on employee number. I given not null constraint on employee number column. Yes. Here 1001 Raj 90,000. Yes. Accepted. Okay. Next 1001 because 90,000 duplicate value. It can contain duplicate values. Not null contain duplicate values. Yes. Accepted. Next null Rajesh 92,000 null. It will not accept null values. Not null constraint will not accept null values. It does not allow null values. Yes. So here this row cannot be inserted. This last row cannot be inserted because of not null constraint will not accept null values. It does not allow null values, but it allows duplicate values. Duplicate values accepted. Okay. So that is about not null constraint. Okay. So ensure that there is no null value. Ensure that there is no null value. Right. Next, one more point here is, here we give not null constraint to employee name, salary also. Okay. In this table, we can give not null constraint. We can give not null constraint to employee name column, salary column also. Okay, but we don't give not null constraint to commission column. Why? Because of some employees in a company, so they are not having commission. Okay, so clear? So we can give not null constraint to employee name and salary, but we can't give not null constraint to commission column. So some employees who are not having commission in that company. Some employees are there who are not having commission. Okay. So we don't give not null constraint to commission column. Okay. Right. So that is about unique constraint, not null constraint. Okay. Right. So that is about unique and not null. In the next session, we'll see the remaining constraint: primary key constraint, check constraint, default, foreign key, in detail with example. Okay. So is it clear? Unique, not null. Unique constraint will accept only unique values. Unique means different. Okay. It does not allow duplicate values. It does not allow duplicate values. Not null allows duplicate values. Okay. Here it does not allow duplicate values. Unique constraint does not allow duplicate values. Not null constraint allows duplicate values. Okay. Here null values, it will accept null values. Unique constraint will accept null values. Not null constraint will not accept null values. Okay. So it does not allow duplicate values. Unique constraint does not allow duplicate values. Not null constraint allows duplicate values. Doesn't allow duplicate values, allows duplicate values. Here it allows null values, but here it doesn't allow null values. Okay. Right. Don't get confused. So this is about unique and not null constraint. So in the next session, we'll see the remaining constraints with examples. Okay. Thank you for watching. That's all for now.